Hey goons, what's good? Welcome back to my channel.
And we're about the bag, cause the cash accumulate. Soon as we came in the game, all these niggas they imitated. Put my mind on it, then I put my grind on it. Put the iron on them if a nigga my opponent. My code 500, I don't put no miles on it. I was running wild, homie, with 500,000 on it.
So it's Friday, I'm fresh off work, fresh out the shower, you feel me? I was gonna go to the laundromat to wash my clothes, to get my laundry out the way so I don't have to do it on my off days. However, work drained all the patience I have out of me today. So I had to say no thank you. No ma'am, no ham, no turkey, okay? So instead I'm about to make me a plate of this spaghetti I made the other day, okay? Take these braids out because my neck is ready for a full break. You know, after a while of having braids in, your neck start to feel like wobbly. Especially individuals, your neck start feeling funny, your neck start feeling weak, okay? Like you don't have control over your neck anymore. So I gotta take these out. Plus they just looking raggedy. It's long overdue. You know, these was Miami braids and they served their purpose. So it's time for them to go. I already started taking them out in the back. Took about 4 out. So that's pretty much my Friday night. And I forgot it was a new season of Orange is the New Black that came out. So spaghetti, braids, Orange is the New Black. That is my Friday night, okay? I don't be doing much of shit. So even if I didn't have to take out these braids and go do laundry and all that, I would probably just don't come home and go to sleep. This is really the highlight of my nights. Taking out my braids and watching Orange is the New Black. And eating spaghetti, okay? What y'all doing? What y'all over there doing tonight on Friday? How y'all spending y'all Friday night? Anyway, I didn't come here to say too much, do too much. Just wanted to touch bases with y'all. Shay was good. You know I'm feeling good because I'm off work now for the weekend. Everything is great. Life is great. So I just wanted to come to y'all and say what's up, what's good, like what's happening, what y'all doing. All right, but now I'm just rambling, so peace out. Hey goons, good morning, happy Saturday. I freed myself of those braids last night. And now I gotta wash my hair and stuff. But before I do that, I'm gonna go to the laundromat to get the clothes washing part out of the way. Sorry, y'all can't see me, give me a second. But yeah, I'm about to get up. I'm about to put some clothes on and go. And also I'm gonna go to the beauty supply because I wanna get me something new in the hair product. I don't know what, but I just want a new product. And plus I think I wanna blow dry my hair today. I haven't blow dried my hair in like, I don't know, a year and a half, 2 years, I think. I don't even know. But I'm gonna blow dry my hair, so I think I need some kind of like heat protectant or something. I don't know. I'm gonna go to the beauty supply and figure that out. But before we do all that, we gotta start with the brushing of the teeth, the washing of the face, brushing of the teeth, washing of the face. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, come here often. Does anybody else brush their lips? I don't know why I do, but I do. Feel like I might have licked my lips in my sleep, and I got more than that on them. Ding! So I couldn't decide if I wanted to make me some green tea or a smoothie to have right now. And because it's already a little bit hot, I decided on the smoothie. So we about to make a smoothie. Got my berries, got my yogurt, got my almond milk, and I got some ice in the freezer. So let's make a smoothie. Let's make a smoothie. I'm not sure if my blender broke or something, but it wasn't mixing right. But let's see how this came out. See, no, it didn't even blend my ice in. What the heck? I don't know. Let's just pour this out. It's super thick, bro. What did I do? Whoa, whoa. Come out! I don't know. Maybe it did need some more milk or something. And that's why I don't work at Jamba Juice, because clearly I'm no smoothie maker. I'm gonna throw some more milk up in here though and see if that helps, because that mess is pretty thick. Okay, let's see. Then it's just gonna be tasting like milk. See, I need some orange juice or something. Okay, I'm not sure if that did anything really. But let me tell you this. I'm about to go wash my clothes. Fuck this smoothie. Let's go. This little bastard had got in my house. Had to teach him a lesson. Don't fuck with me. Now you dead. Now you dead, you see? R.I.P. little nigga. Actually, I'm scared as fuck of these, so I was freaking out. So it's like 2 hours later. I wanted to get to the laundromat to wash my clothes. However, that smoothie I made actually turned into a detox. Okay? It messed my stomach up. Every time I'm like, okay, I'm about to walk out the door, I had to go back in the house, okay? I had to just, you know, handle my business. And then I got held up by the damn beetle that got in my house. Y'all, I was just talking shit about it, but I'm actually scared as hell of those beetles. They creep me out. They make me cringe. I'm not lying. I was crying. I cried a little bit, but I killed it and I got it out. So don't play with me. You come in my house, you dead. All right? Shoot. All right, let me stop playing around, because I don't feel like I have very long until my stomach starts to get bubbly again. So let me hurry up and get to the laundromat and back to the crib. You feel me? So I'm just leaving the laundromat. Right now I'm gonna head to Walgreens instead of going to the beauty supply, because I'm not sure if the hair product I'm actually looking for, because it is a specific one I'm looking for, but I'm not sure if the regular beauty supply carries it. And I'm not trying to, you know, be stopping all around town when I know for sure that it's at Walgreens and Target. But I was not about to go on Target right now. That, my friend, would have been a trap. So I'm gonna just go to Walgreens where I know I'm gonna get what I need and get up out of there. All right, so that's where we on the way to now, y'all. Shake my ass like a stank hoe. Big bang, little bang. Big bang, little bang. I don't bother with these hoes. Don't let these hoes bother me. They take pictures, they say posts. Bitch, I'm who they trying to be. Look. It's looking like they don't even have what I'm looking for in here.
See you call park that 101, thank you.
So they didn't have what I was looking for in there, and that makes me upset, because now I do have to drive around and look for it, because I need it. I need it for my hair. Now I feel like today is turning into something that I didn't want to turn into, and that's me just being outside for a long time looking for stuff. Dang, you want to get in that parking space so bad before they get it. Wow. Anyway, I'm about to try 1 or 2 more places before I say screw it, and then I'm just gonna go in the house. Boo! I end up just going back into Walgreens right now just to get something else. I couldn't find any like heat protectant. Hold on, let me get in the car because I can't hear. Okay, I don't know if y'all heard me before I got in the car, but I was saying I ended up just going back into Walgreens and getting me something else. I don't think I'm gonna blow dry my hair just because I couldn't find no like heat protecting products in there that I thought was gonna be great. So I don't really want to blow dry my hair for the first time in almost 2 years and not have the right products. But anyway, I did buy some Carol's Daughter refresher spray. We're gonna see what this do. We're gonna see what this is. Okay, I did hear it was all right, but we gonna see. Anyway, I'm about to go back home because I ain't had nothing but that smoothie and I'm hungry. So let's go. Cream today. Sometimes you come in here and it be sad days, okay? It be a sad day, but I'm getting me some ice cream, cookies and cream, pecan praline, the best in the nation. This heat is too much for my girl, all right? It's too much for her. She said, oh shit, she called me. Don't try to act like you wasn't asleep. She was asleep for the longest time, boy. Knocked out. I think she's still asleep. What's going on, girl? You okay? Sleepy much? Sleepy much?
It's the night of your life, girl, put on your pretty ass dress. It's the night of your life, girl, you gon' forget your stress. How could it treat you that way? You the kind of girl a nigga dream about, yeah. You ain't even got flows that could look at you all day.